Hi there. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is Video Backdrops Pro version 2 from Max Rylski. So video backdrops. And it is, I think, I just looked it up, $22, and there's a $39 PLR option. So what does it do? What's a backdrop? So look at this for green screen videos. Let's go inside here and give you a little look at this. See if I got this right. A bit much, but that's okay. Look at the before and then the after. So it's a green screen. You can put anything in there. You can put space in there. You can put a city in there. You can put people running around behind in there, whatever you want. Let's see if I can slowly bring this down and go. There you go. Instantly improve your videos. Hundreds of premium HD backdrops for I think it was $22. We'll check down in a sec. It's just coming up here for spokesperson videos, motion backgrounds, live footage, video sales letters, image backgrounds, and the commercial license is included, so you can sell and create the videos for clients. The PLR license is available for $39, so you can sell this product to others. Look at this, $22. You're making videos with great backgrounds to them. Amazing stuff. And the PLR license, $39. I think I got those numbers right. Max Rylski, there we go. So let's take a quick look at this. Plain background, anything you want. And so look at these. You can see in the background different things, from houses to whatever you want, right? Tons of different stuff, and away you go. And yeah, you could you kind of like that right there, all these different backdrops. So I'm going to put the link for you in the podcast description. It's just out, Video Backdrops Pro version 2 from Max Rylski, $22. Click the link, go check it out for yourself. You can look at all the backdrops and go, wow, you can just revolutionize the way your videos look for $22. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.